We are establishing the Pakistan Institute of Education, which is a merger of APAM, NIES. These two organizations are being merged into Pakistan Institute of Education. The Pakistan Institute of Education will have four main pillars. There will be data gathering, because we have a real problem with data. And we'll work with provinces very closely so that our national data is clear, that everybody knows authentic figures as far as our national data is concerned. And I must say that the British government is helping us in this, and we'll hope to establish a state-of-the-art data center. And of course, we will work with the provinces to make sure that there is alignment and their capacity also goes up. Because without the provinces, we can't basically collect any data. So that would be number one. The other would be research, because at the federal level, and I'm sure that works at the provincial level also, there is very little research-based decision-making. Most of it is people like me who are politicians taking decisions. But we need support. We need research. We need to make sure that our policy is developed based on hard research with proper results and so on and so forth. And so this will be the second main aspect. The third would be assessments, because we need to change the way we are assessing students. We need to completely revamp the assessment area, and so that will be also part of research, but partly also going out and making studies to find out how the learning levels are. So assessment will become a very important part of PI. And fourth is training. Of course, we have to train people who can do all of these things.